In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline infographic in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional visual that lays out key moments or milestones in a way that's easy to read and share. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a panel on the left. Click Templates to explore Canva's ready-made designs. In the search bar at the top, type Timeline Infographic. This pulls up a variety of styles, from sleek and modern to colorful and playful. Browse for a moment and think about your audience and purpose. Corporate overviews might benefit from neutral tones, while school projects can handle a bit more color and flair. When you find a design you like, click it to apply it to your canvas. This instantly gives you a layout with text boxes and visual markers already in place. Next, let's set a strong title. On the left toolbar, click Text, then select Add Heading. A new text box appears on your design. Type your infographic title, something clear and specific, like Company History Timeline. Place it prominently at the top so viewers immediately know what they're looking at. If the template already has a title area, you can replace that text instead. Keep the headline short and make sure it stands out from other text. Now it's time to edit the main content. Click any existing text on the template and replace the placeholder words with your own information. Focus on dates, events, and concise descriptions. Aim for 1 to 2 short lines per milestone so the layout stays clean. As you go, adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand or the tone you're going for. Use larger sizes for headings, medium sizes for dates, and smaller sizes for descriptions. Maintain high contrast, dark text on a light background or vice versa, so everything is easy to read. Consistency is key. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts throughout, and choose a small, cohesive color palette. If your design includes icons or shapes, keep them aligned with the text for a tidy, balanced look. When everything looks good, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Choose your preferred file type. PNG is great for digital use with crisp quality. JPG keeps file sizes smaller for quick sharing, and PDF is ideal if you plan to print or need a professional document. Download your file, and you're done. That's it. You've created a polished timeline infographic in Canva, ready to present, post, or print.